bright and early this morning. We didn't have to get up very early because we're out to Kanab, Utah for the Western Legends shindig. We got a couple of our carriages out here. Gonna get all hitched up. Got the big jet draft horse and Jill and Flossie, the two little blonde mules. So we're having a good time. Got Becca-Rooney with me today.
Hi.
We're having fun. So we're just out doing our thing. We come out and make this a yearly tradition. We got longhorns that go down the main drag, and it's an all non-motorized parade. So one of the things we're passionate about, so we'll get things unloaded and see what we can do to put something together, and we'll take you along for the ride. Okay, so we got the big boy hitched. He's on a little Vis-a-Vis 1800s carriage. We're gonna have a couple movie stars or celebrities or somebody riding in here today. Not sure who, but got him all hitched. We'll get over here and get the blondes hitched up to the old limousine. See if we can get that done. Oh, jet. Whoa.
We know that guy.
Yep.
It's the welder guy.
Hey, Alice.
Hey, Amish Henry.
That thing got a cup holder?
No.
No, but you can get it wedged in there good enough. Okay. Hey, I need you to help me with my reins though. I think I might have screwed up.
And your name is?
Leon.
Leon. Like Leon Russell, like Leon Spinks. I know you have more teeth than him. This is good. All right. So tell me about this beard. I mean, is that, have you always had it like that? Or do you say, hey, this is a new look, I want to go Grizzly Adams on people?
No, I'm going Nicholas, like Saint Nicholas. April 1st, I was completely clean shaven. Like,
wow. Wow, I'm looking to see what the string is that's holding it on. It's got to be here somewhere and stuff. So do you do Santa Claus?
yes, every year.
So this is your side gig.
Side gig completely.
So we're going to announce the winner now for the 2022 Western Legends Beard Contest in the beard category. Ho, ho, ho! Woo! Coming over here.
He's like, what?
I'm all right. You're the winner, my friend. So where you go? You got to give me, you know what?
Ho, 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 ho.
Why was mine like so over the top? What do we
got this little shorty, and what I'll do is I'll just kind of give you a little bit of a bump. All right, let me get up in front of you and get bomb out of here, like drive that thing like it's stolen. Hey, back up a little. Okay, now try that again. Get straight. Oh, my God, pull you. Oh. If you see me stick my hand out and go like this, stop.
Okay.
And what I will do is I will drive kind of to the right.
Okay.
You kind of drive to the left, and I'm looking on your left side. What that'll do is that'll keep you from running over that rope.
Okay.
So if you have tension on that rope, even if you're helping me drive a little bit, if you have tension on that rope, then it won't drop.
Okay.
If it drops in the sand, you can turn a little bit and it will run over and just wrap around your. Alright. Well, we didn't get too big of a rainstorm yet.
No?
Definitely got potential to get right after it though. Those big thunder bumpers rolled in. Well, me and Lincoln ended up over here to Green Springs in Washington, had a little Toyota RAV4. I think the guy said he was from North Carolina or somewhere like that. They went on a little hike and got down one of the wrong roads, so we was out and about in the old trusty Nissan. Went in there and I had her open the back, so we hooked him up, pulled him back up out of there and got him turned around, and then we had to pretty well drag him all the way to the main road. So a lot of my little recoveries are like that, but we get to do them all, from the real technical ones, the big heavy motorhomes, all the way down to the Toyota RAV4s and motorcycles. So it's always fun to get out and about, and me and Lincoln had a little fun this afternoon. Probably get for home before the sun sets, gets on the horizon. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one.